Go home happy with the 2021 Toyota Camry Hybrid. Prepare to be delighted by this Camry Hybrid. With engineering that optimizes efficiency, advanced safety and connectivity features, and a design that prioritizes driver and passenger comfort, it's the ultimate family sedan. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Hybrid efficiency never felt so luxurious. Treat yourself to a test drive in this exquisite Camry Hybrid. Our knowledgeable and professional staff will make it the best part of your day.